welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, we are going to be organizing and cleaning here in our home. I don't know about you guys, but in the new year, I am always eager to declutter, clean the house, and really organize our spaces so that we have a nice, clean, organized space to start the year. I am definitely the type of person that thrives in spaces that are organized and not cluttered. You guys will have to let me know if you are the same in the comments down below. Now, I am partnering with Lowe's for this video, so thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. I did go ahead and head over to my local Lowe's and picked up all of my favorite cleaning products so I could restock our cleaning caddy for the year. I also picked up some organizational items as well, so we will be cleaning our fridge, organizing that, and also organizing a few other spaces here in our home. I do have a few other places that I organized with items from Lowe's that I will be sharing with you, and I couldn't make a video without sharing a home find, so you guys will want to make sure to stay tuned for that. It is a great find and I think you guys will really love it. I will have everything I can linked in the description box down below, so if you do see something you like in today's video, make sure to check down there. If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe and follow me over on my other social media accounts. They're always linked down below. And now let's go ahead and get to cleaning and organizing. Getting right into the video, I wanted to share my cleaning haul that I got from Lowe's. I stocked up on my favorite scent from Mrs. Meyer's. The Snowdrop scent is hands down the best scent they have. I also stocked up on some of my favorite Clorox products, some disinfecting, and then also the Clean and Clear. This is the best glass cleaner to exist. Some great cleaner for the bathroom. And then this is my favorite cleaner for our quartz countertops in our kitchen. I thought I would try these for our bathrooms. You'll have to let me know in the comments below if you've tried these. Also, these caught my eye. I've never used them before, but wanted to give them a shot. Picked up some new microweb towels and some new cleaning gloves. This scoring stick is perfect for cleaning your gas stove if you have one. I'm seriously so amazed at how many cleaning products Lowe's has. They seriously have you covered. If you've never shopped with them for cleaning products, definitely check them out. They have everything you could ever need. So before we get into the cleaning and organizing, I'm just going to load up my cleaning caddy. I like to have this prepped for when I clean all of our bathrooms. You guys will have to let me know in the comments below how often you guys clean your bathroom and what kind of schedule you like to have. Also, let me know what is your #1 must-have thing in your cleaning caddy for your house. I would love to know. First things first, we're going to wipe down our countertops. This quartz cleaner smells so heavenly. It's citrus scent, and it definitely is one of my favorite scents. It always makes our counters so nice and shiny as well, so I really enjoy this product. I picked up these 2 woven baskets from Lowe's. These are going in our pantry and are perfect for holding all of our protein and greens powders. I hate having things just all over the countertops in our pantry, so they are stored up here on one of our shelves, nice and put away, and we can grab them whenever we need them. You can use these in so many areas of your home. These would be great for a linen closet as well. I love the size of them, and they look very high-end. Next, we are tackling our fridge. I need to do this more often than I do. I think this may be the second or third time that I've ever cleaned out our fridge. I know that is quite embarrassing considering we've been in our home for 4 years, but you guys will have to let me know how often you clean out your fridge. It is definitely a task and something that I don't love doing, but it always feels so nice after I have done it. For cleaner, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the Snowdrop scent. I really wanted to organize the tray in our fridge, so I got these acrylic organizers from Lowe's. I got the skinnier size, and then you'll see I also got 2 larger sizes. For the smaller one, I'm taking our yogurts and I'm just placing them in here. This makes my heart so happy having this all organized. Everything has its own space, and this also makes it so much easier to go and clean our fridge in the future because I can just pull these acrylic bins out and wipe down the drawer instead of having to pull out every item individually. So you'll see I'll be placing some of our lunch meat in here, our mush overnight oats that I absolutely love, some cheese, and then in the other one it is all shredded cheese and then our string cheese and sliced Tillamook cheese that we get from Costco. This drink holder was taking up so much space in our fridge, and we honestly never used it anymore. We have a little mini fridge outside in our garage where we keep all of our canned drinks. So this was just taking up so much space, so I went ahead and took it out. A lot of the pieces were broken as well, so it was just time to go. I'm going to take my Scrub Daddy and start scrubbing down these shelves in here. Now this one, I don't know if you could take out that shelf or not, but I did take out all of the other ones and clean them down in the sink and get them real nice and squeaky clean. Then once that is finished, I'm going to place everything back into the fridge, and I will show you guys here shortly the other 2 berry containers that I got from Lowe's. I got these storage containers. These are perfect for berries and different fruits. They do have a removable basket, as you can see here, so it's nice to have the fruit be able to drain. Our oldest babe loves to eat fruit in the morning, and I have been trying to eat some more fruit as well, making some smoothies. I get these blueberries from Target, and these blueberries are massive, and I have really been enjoying eating a handful of them every single morning. You guys will have to let me know what your favorite fruit is in the comments down below. I definitely need to start eating some more fruits and veggies in this new year. These stack really well on top of each other, so it's nice to save space in your fridge. After we have those put in our fridge, that is going to finish off the cleaning and organizing of our fridge. I love the way that it turned out, and our fridge looks so much better than it did before. Next, we're moving over to our console table, taking my favorite glass cleaner. I was trying to use up some of our glass cleaner that we had in our cleaning closet before I got anything new, but I'm so happy to have this one back in our cleaning caddy because it really does such a great job at cleaning our mirrors. Our house does collect dust pretty quickly with how many animals we have, so I'm just taking my Swiffer and running that over the console table to get rid of any dust, and then I'm going to go in with my Clorox Free and Clear cleaner, and I'm just going to give the top of our console a good wipe down before we put all of the decor back on. I mentioned at the beginning of the video that it cannot be a video of mine without sharing something to do with home decor. While I was browsing through Lowe's, I went over to where all of their planters and some of their plants were, and I found this beautiful basket planter. I love the woven texture to it and the rope detailing with the handles. It is so perfect for either a real plant or a faux plant. I'm going to be using a faux olive tree that I recently got in. This combination is absolute perfection, and I actually really like the way that it looks on our console table. You guys will have to let me know what you think of it in the comments below. We do have a spice drawer in our kitchen next to our oven and stove, but we also have this cabinet with overflow spices, sprinkles, and our olive oil spray, some cookbooks, and measuring cups. I wanted to add in this little under shelf storage that I found at Lowe's. I wanted to find a way to organize all these little boxes a little bit better. I have my crock pot liners and my baking sheets in here. I usually like to keep these stocked up. I'm really happy with the way that this turned out, and it's nice that they are organized in its own little section. The last place that we are going to clean and organize is to the left of our stove and oven. I am going to wipe down the countertop with our quartz cleaner that I shared with you earlier. There was a lot of crumbs that accumulated under that tray, but I am taking these drawer dividers from Lowe's. As you can see, this drawer was an absolute disaster. I feel like the little storage bins that I had in here were just not working out well. These drawer dividers are definitely a better solution, and I really enjoy the way that it turned out. I am going to wipe down the inside of the drawer. I did line most of our drawers when we moved in, and I'm so happy that I did because there's so many spills and just dust and dirt that gets in here that can easily stain the wood of the cabinets. I apologize for the tripod moving. Our oldest babe loves to come and grab my tripods while I'm trying to film. I'm sure you guys don't mind, but if you were wondering what was happening, our little babe was just getting a hold of the tripod. Once I have everything put back in here, that is going to complete this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know that it is something a little different than what I normally post here on my channel. Towards the beginning of the year, I do like to declutter, clean, and organize our house as much as I can. So if this is the type of video that you would like to see more of, let me know in the comments down below, or if you have any other video ideas, I would love to hear them. I will have everything that I can linked in the description box down below. So if you did see something that you liked in today's video and want to get it to organize your home, make sure to check the description below. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting my channel. It truly means so much to me. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.